Okie dokie. So, M&C SKG 2-star? Matrix 2, I think. Matrix 2. I wrote it on the side. Oops. Bwah. Boop. Alrighty, let's see what's in here. I got you. Get that guy out of there. Seem to be lacking shims. I don't know how I feel about shims. This just has some pins on the top. It does not have the sidebar like the Matrix 3. Whoosh. Alright, let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin stacks. Steel one, anti-drill, I'm assuming. Oh boy. Oh geez. Oh, Jiminy Christmas. Come here. All right. Okay. Nothing special here, like I said. The key, I think, matches with either one, and so it's got the track for the sidebar, but no actual sidebar. I don't see anything special going on in there. Nope. Nope. Pinch, pinch. Get your official pinning pinchers. The pinchers. All right. Yep. These, I think these are probably all this kind of Sarah spool thing. It's like a spool that picks like a serration. Oh, come on. I dropped this bring-a-ling. Didn't I? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I might have to look for that later. Much annoying. Oh, I found it. Okay. Dr. Hogmaster, why are your videos so long? Oh gosh, I don't know. It has nothing to do with dropping springs all the dang time. When I pick them, they should call them falls. Spring. Because spring fall down. And nothing interesting in here, I don't think. Weep. 6 pins. All of them are these funny spools. And there it is.